Okay, so I stopped that video because I didn't want to bore you with all of this, but I'm almost done now. So I'm just showing you the end of how I've put all these white and gold pieces of Yupo paper on here. So I'm just still taking my super heavy gloss, and I've taken my pieces of Yupo paper and I'm cutting them to fit. That one's a bit wide. So if you're confused and you stumbled on this video, you got to go back and watch the beginning where I was sticking all these pieces down, and catch up and then come back to this. So I'm just cutting these pieces and got to make sure they're square. And I'm just running down the side here with this. And I've got a couple more pieces to go. So I'm trying to be quick about it, not to bore you guys, because I want to show you that I'm going to put a little bit more. See, I've actually cut a piece that was really thin by mistake. And take that guy, take that guy. Ah, that guy's crooked. Get off. Okay, almost done. And there we go. Almost there, people. Almost there. Just gotta take this. So I'm just cutting off these extras. Slide that. That one's a bit wide, so that's why I kept this one. Oh, it's pretty close. I'm just gonna have to trim the sliverest sliver. There we go. Fits nice. It's pretty forgiving with these pieces. If you're off a smidge, you could lift this, reactivate the glue, and then stick it down. And once I resin all of this, you're not going to see all these little seams. It's abstract. If you're looking that close, I mean, really, why do you like original art if it's gotta be flawless? Two more pieces, 2 more spots. I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna stick it there. Hang on here. Stick. It's right between us. Where's that one? No. I don't like that piece. Guys like me. Also, you could add a little bit of water to that, and it will, if your glue is getting a bit thick and gummy, you can always do that. Won't hurt it. Yeah. And done. Okay. Now that that is all finished, I'm going to cut this long piece off. Yeah. Doesn't look as good in the picture as it does in person, I can tell you that. Whatever. Okay. I think they're all good. Now what I'd like to do is add a little bit. Like maybe like that. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe Maybe that would be better, like that. Maybe. I think actually, yeah, I would like. Yeah, I think something like that needs to happen. Okay. And then, so I have also, oh, I should tell you guys, I've also used a glue stick before. I don't think it really matters. I really don't. And I'll tell you why, because sticking it down is the beginning. What happens later is you put, what I'm gonna do, you don't have to do this, but I am going to put resin over top of this. And it is just gonna give it such a different look that you just can't even believe your eyes. Okay. So I'm gonna do that. I was thinking about possibly taking, you know, like, and going over maybe something like that, you know, just layering it up a little bit, you know, just random piece of paper, because I think that's what you guys wanted to, when you're asking me, like, how do I layer it? And so this is what I'm gonna do this for you guys. I don't like to make a huge mess here, so I'm gonna take a piece of paper towel, get rid of this, and put this down. And instead of showing you with the Liquitex stuff, I'm gonna grab a glue stick, which is just an Elmer's glue stick, regular old, from school days. And this one was already painted with a different pattern, but I needed a piece of paper and it had a white back. So you put a little bit of the glue on there, and then, I don't know, where did I have that? Let's just do it right. Let's do it, I don't know, like this. Like that. And then, where'd that other piece go? This one. I don't know. I don't want it to be too same. Kind of looks like it should be there though. And it doesn't have to be that big. That big. I don't know. Maybe just like that. Probably going to do a couple different layers. Like that. What other colors do I have? I have some hot pink colors. I mean, we could busy the shit right. I mean, we could busy this stuff up crazy lots if we wanted to. Like, I don't know, I think maybe a blue one needs to be there. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna do it at an angle. Blue there. Maybe just like that. I don't actually like that. This one's better. I threw that one away before. Yeah, I think like that. And I just break up that yellow. And then this one. I don't like that that's so slanted. And then like that. And then maybe something here. What do we got? I think we need a bolder color. Maybe, is that too much pink? Maybe. There. Yeah, like I'll think that one down there. Oops, big chunk of glue. Oh, I got a big chunk of glue on my fingers. I still have one more of these purple ones. So I've got one there, one there. I was thinking maybe, yeah, something like that. Oops. What else do I got? Like I got green, green, green. I think I just need maybe just to break that up a bit, like that. Maybe this way instead. Get a little bit of that lime green. Yeah, sure. Where did I have it? Like here? Yeah, just like that. I think I need like, to turn that just a smidge. I think I need like something blue, or maybe, what have I got? Nope. I do have purple. Is that too small? Yeah. Oh, I found another blue one. Blue, blue, blue. Oh, my eyes. Blue. If I do it in small pieces, but I don't like that idea. Oh, I can't see it. Okay, I think I'm gonna go right there in between that pink one. Let's see here. I don't want to go to the edge. just like so. Whoops. Stick. Okay, so I'm gonna stop. I feel like this is random enough. I've got multiple layers, and then when I go to pour my resin over top of all of this, I might have to do 2 or 3 coats, but that's normal. I do that a lot anyways. So I'm just gonna make sure all these are stuck down before I do anything. I'll leave it dry for about an hour or 2, and then I'm gonna come along with, I use a tool, Mastercraft tool, and these blades are replaceable, so I can, when they get dull, I can get new ones. But basically what I would do is along my edges here is I would just come along and I would trim. And see, that one's not glued down all the way, but I would cut all of these off of the edges, and then we'll have a nice square. This is the panel from the back now that things are stuck down. Yeah, so that's how I stick down glue pieces. So if you want to see this again, like in my last video, if you want to see this completed, you'll have to go to my Instagram, Jady's Creative on Instagram, at JADYSCREATIVE, Jady's Creative. Don't mind the measurements. And when I have this finished and resined, I will post it there for you. Have a great day.